you are broke, it's not because there is no money, but it's because you are ignoring the simple hustles that are right in front of you. In this video today, I'm going to share 3 street hustle skills that can make you millions in Africa. Number 1, shoe or bag repair. Shoe repair can actually sound small until you start counting the cash. You can turn shoe repair or bag repair into stream of daily cash. Shoe and bag repair is one of the most underrated yet profitable street level skills in Africa. With less than 50,000 naira, you can start shoe and bag repair. You will need tools like gum, needle and thread, pliers, and maybe a small kiosk. You don't need to be an expert to start this business. You can actually learn the basics in few weeks and later become an expert. The second street level skill I want to share with you is phone charging booth. No lights, good. That is your next business opportunity. Your generator can make you even 5 times more than some 9-to-5 jobs. Let me explain. Phone charging spots, they are booming, especially in areas with unstable electricity. All you need is probably a generator or a solar setup. You need a small space and a kiosk, and you get a location that huge numbers passes on daily basis, and you can be sure of making a lot of money every day with as low as 300 to 500 naira per person, and you have 50 to 100 people coming in to charge their phone on daily basis. You are certainly going to be making a lot of money on daily basis. You can also add things like airtime resale or cold drinks. People can actually come to charge their phone, and then they can sit down as well and have cold drinks while their phone is charging. And either way, you are making money from both sides. The third one is bike errand services. This simple errand hustle can make you 10k a day with just a bike. In today's fast-paced world, people are willing to pay for speed. From delivering documents, parcels, groceries, food items, to as many things as possible. A small bike can turn into a delivery service business. You can start in your area by delivering errands for schools, churches, mosques, and even local food sellers. You can charge 500 naira to 2,000 naira depending on the distance you are going to cover for such errand, and you can be sure of making a lot of money on daily basis.